Stop scrolling, because what you're about to see is the most extreme Corvette ever built. This is the 2026 Chevy Corvette ZR1X, and trust me, it's rewriting the rulebook for American supercars. Let's start with the front. Razor-sharp aerodynamics meet raw aggression. The ZR1X wears an all-new fascia with an extended carbon fiber splitter, massive air intakes, and slim LED headlights that look like laser beams piercing the night. Chevy didn't just design this for looks. Every vent, every curve has one mission: speed and downforce. Now swing around to the rear, and it's pure racecar DNA. A massive carbon fiber wing towers over an aggressive diffuser, quad titanium exhausts roar at the back, and a light bar stretches across the tail for a futuristic finish. This isn't just a Corvette, it's a track weapon disguised as a street car. Step inside, and the transformation continues. Up front, the interior is built around the driver like a fighter jet cockpit. A curved digital display wraps around the steering wheel, while carbon fiber bucket seats lock you in for high-G cornering. Touch controls, HUD projection, and race-inspired paddle shifters remind you, this isn't comfort first, it's performance first. On the exterior, the stance is lower, wider, and more menacing than ever. Chevy pushed the limits with active aero panels that adjust in real time, sculpted side skirts that hug the ground, and a roofline that screams speed. And powering it all? A twin-turbo 5.5L V8 hybrid powertrain delivering over 1,000 horsepower, making this the most powerful Corvette in history. 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds, top speed well north of 230 miles per hour. This isn't just America's sports car, it's America's hypercar. But here's the question: would you take the ZR1X over European legends like the Ferrari SF90 or Lamborghini Revuelto? Or does Corvette's price-to-performance ratio make it untouchable? Drop your thoughts in the comments, backhand index pointing down. And if you love getting a first look at future cars before anyone else, make sure you smash that subscribe button, because we're just getting started.